just came out now. You can see the height of the snow. I just opened my garage and you can see it's huge. I don't even know how I'm going to drive out here, but let's see how it goes. This is after the storm. The storm has stopped at least, and the city, they've already plowed the roads for us so we can have access, but you still need to plow your own driveway. So guys, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Let me see how I'm going to dread this snow. So guys, you can see where I came out from. I made it. Yeah, those are my car tires. I just had to drive through it. See my lawn. Yeah, see the front of my house, see the lawn, see snow. So guys, let me welcome you guys to Minnesota. You can see the heap of snow over there at the school. Just one day of snowstorm, and that's why we're having all of this. Oh my goodness. You can see everywhere now is covered. This is what is expected at this time of the year. Everywhere is white. The state is as white as it can get. Okay, so I'm gonna carry you guys along with me on my journey. And by the way, we are going for gymnastics. Okay, this is the update. You can see my driveway is plowed, but because the snow is very fluffy, so it's very easy to plow this time around. If you wait for it, or rather if it gets so cold, it becomes very difficult. Over there, that looks like a Christmas tree. You see the snow is settling on the tree, and if it gets colder, it's going to freeze up. That's how they turn white. And the other tree over there, this particular tree is already looking like a Christmas decorated tree as well. Yeah, it's so big. In the summer, it's good to play on, but it's a lot of work to even mow the lawn. And we enjoy it in the winter. The kids will dress up now to come and do snow angel and, you know, play, you know, do some sliding. All right guys, see my entrance. You can see now. Daddy, how many inches was the snow? 18 inches. Oh my goodness. So guys, okay, see, that's my daughter. You can see her feet. She's so ready for the snow. You can see how deep the snow is. Just take a look. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. And you can see my own shoe here. So guys, that's me. You can see how deep the snow is. Yay! Yay! See my boots, guys. We are so ready for the snow. Okay, yeah, my kids are playing now.
Guys, I got it kind of deep.
You got what?
I got it kind of deep.
Okay.
There's a hole. Someone's leg scooped it in this. But not their whole body yet. Okay, now put your legs in it.
We got 18 inches of snow after the storm. Yeah, so you can see I'm trying to get yeah, you can see the snow from ground. 18 inches of snow. That's Minnesota, and this is the first heavy snow of the year, so definitely more are coming. So I'll keep updating you guys how it goes on with us this year on the snow issues. It's an amazing time of the year. The whole city is clean, and see this one. What is she doing on the snow? Can you get up, please?
I'm swimming through the snow.
No. What's wrong with you? So guys, this is what my patio looks like at this time of the year. You can see this patio door. We can't open it anymore until after the winter. You can see the level of snow I have on the patio. And this is how my backyard looks like at this time of the year. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how we plow the snow. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.